The ground beneath your feet didn't exist once. $13.8 billion years ago, there was nothing. No space, no time, no matter. Then, in a single instant, everything erupted into existence. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space. It was the explosion of space itself. In that first blinding moment, temperatures soared beyond imagination. Pure energy condensed into the tiniest particles, quarks and electrons, the very first building blocks of our universe. For hundreds of millions of years, the universe was dark. No stars, no light, only vast clouds of hydrogen and helium gas drifting silently through an endless void. Scientists call this the cosmic dark age. But within these invisible clouds, something powerful was stirring. Gravity, the great sculptor of the universe, was slowly pulling these gas clouds together, setting the stage for the universe's most spectacular show. Then, ignition. Where gas clouds collapsed under their own weight, temperatures at the core became so extreme that nuclear fusion began. Hydrogen atoms fused into helium, releasing unimaginable energy. The first stars blazed into life. These ancient giants were hundreds of times larger than our sun. When they died, they exploded as supernovae, scattering carbon, oxygen, iron, the raw ingredients of planets, and one day, life itself. $4.6 billion years ago, in one quiet corner of the Milky Way, a giant cloud of gas and dust began to collapse. At its center, pressure and heat built until nuclear fusion ignited. Our sun was born. Around it, the remaining material, rocks, ice, and metal, flattened into a spinning disk. This swirling disk of debris was the cradle of our solar system, and somewhere within it, a small rocky world was about to begin forming. In the swirling disk around the young sun, rocks collided and stuck together. Small pebbles became boulders. Boulders became planetesimals, mini-planets the size of mountains. These slammed into each other, growing larger and larger with each violent impact. Over millions of years, one grew dominant. A molten, glowing ball of rock, the proto-Earth. Our homeworld, still in its infancy, a hellish, churning ocean of liquid rock covering its entire surface. Then came the most catastrophic moment in Earth's history. A Mars-sized planet called Theia came hurtling through space and struck the young Earth head-on. The collision was so violent, it vaporized both worlds. Debris was flung into orbit. Over time, this debris clumped together and formed the Moon. But the impact did something else remarkable. It tilted Earth 23.5 degrees, giving our planet its seasons, its rhythms, its reason for life. Slowly, over millions of years, the surface of the molten Earth began to cool. A thin skin of rock hardened across the surface, the first crust. Beneath it, the magma kept churning. Volcanoes erupted constantly, releasing massive amounts of gas, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor, into space above. This was Earth's first atmosphere, but there was no oxygen, no breathable air, just a toxic steaming blanket of gas surrounding a half-formed world. For millions of years, asteroids and comets, carrying ice from the outer solar system, rained down on Earth. As Earth cooled, this water vapor condensed into rain. It rained for thousands of years, relentlessly. The oceans filled. The entire surface of early Earth was one vast global ocean. No continents, no land, just deep, dark water stretching in every direction. The stage was now set for the greatest mystery of all time, the origin of life. This era, the Hadean Eon, lasted from 4.5 to 4 billion years ago. Earth existed, but life did not. Lightning cracked across a stormy sky. Volcanoes erupted beneath dark oceans. Chemicals, amino acids, simple molecules, began forming in the water. The universe had spent 9 billion years building the ingredients. Now, in the depths of Earth's primordial ocean, something remarkable was about to begin. The first spark of life was coming. And that is a story for next time.